everybody, this is Shannon over here at Clean Freaks TV, and today I'm going to show you how to use a Pumice Stone. Now Pumice Stones are usually for white and off-white toilets only. Do not use a Pumice Stone in a colored toilet, excuse me. It will actually take the enamel right off. It actually does take the enamel off the white and the off-white, but you just can't see it at the water line, so it's not as evident. But this is great for getting water lines out. I actually had to wait a couple of months for the water line to grow back so I could do the video. So anyway, you take your Pumice Stone, get it wet to lubricate it. Flash, see where you are. See how it takes all the water line off? So you should also lubricate it and run it on the bottom. Get the water marks off there, and then you can see, I'll flush it one more time. There's a little bit of buildup because there's a groove down here. So you can kind of stick it in there and see if it'll lift it up, but it's actually a divot, so normally it doesn't come out. It's just calcium buildup. Anyway, that's how you use a Pumice Stone on a toilet. Thanks for tuning in. That's cleanfreaksuniversity.com. This is Shannon Miller signing out.